Hi guys, I have sad news. So the Great Dane dog on the train who got hit, the dog got hit by a train, so they took him to the vet since they found out the injuries since the Fresno vet found the injuries. When they found the injuries of that when they found the injuries of that, he passed away. The dog passed away he passed away because the doctors and nurses had to put the vet had to put the dog to sleep. I was concerned about the dog being alive, but he is sadly dead. He is sadly dead. Well, rest in peace for the dog, for the Great Dane dog. And I feel so sad. And thanks for watching. Peace out, like and subscribe.